everybody, it's me again. First of all, I'd like to apologize for the fact that I haven't been back in a while, but hopping right to it, I'm here to review some basic camping sets that I got from Walmart. You can get a basic camping set that comes all in a single kit. It comes with a pot, a little plate or a bowl, a little cup that doubles as a measuring cup. You can use it for hot cocoa or water or whatever you want to drink. You get a cooking pan, which also doubles as a saucepan. This is all one set. I got it for like $15. It might be a little less, it might be a little more, depending where you're from. And I also got a portable wok. You can get all of these things in the camping section. These three go together, and this is a part separate. Now, I here made a meal for two, and I decided to use this to test it out because my dad and my mother, they're away right now, and it's just me and my sister at home. So I really don't need huge pots and pans to cook for a lot of people. So I thought, why not test out my camping gear, which is why I bought them in case I'm out and alone. So here it is. My suggestion is, if you're going to cook with these, cook on low and do not preheat. One thing I did notice that they can warp, but once you got the stuff that you want to start cooking in it, they'll just go back to shape. It's important that you do not preheat. And I would suggest on cooking on low because these are not designed to be on top of the flame, except for maybe the wok. And they are designed to be above the fire like you would be if you were camping. So if you go to cook at home, cook on low. And I gotta say, it cooks really fast. Like, as you can see here, I got a whole pot of rice done in less than 10 minutes. The beans, a little meal that we all usually eat here in Puerto Rico, they also got done in less than 10 minutes because I got things started a little after I started the rice. And the wok is excellent. I've cooked several times with it. I made soups, I made rice, I made breakfast, whole eggs, omelets, whatever you want it for. It's literally just like a big wok, but smaller. So like, if you like woks and like eating Asian food, get this thing. I highly recommend it. And the best thing about it, it's collapsible. You can literally fit it into your bag. And the same here. All these things collapse inside the pan, the saucepan in this set. And you just cover it like that, and you just carry it away. I'll show you in another video how to collapse it. So you can see how much I was able to make for two people. I'm going to go ahead and serve it. Here's my rice, here's my beans, here's my chicken. Now, I'm not an excellent cook. So if you send this to Gordon Ramsay, please don't. He's just going to say how morbid I am at cooking. But other than that, it's pretty good for a cooking tool. Here are my chickens. I made chicken breasts, seasoned them in garlic and olive oil and salt. Now for the rice. I'll move this a little closer. This is supposed to be what I'm supposed to be eating with, but I want to keep that clean. And if you want to know, you can also season your food in here. Just rinse it off or wash it straight afterward and throw it in the pan. This is collapsible. You just push down, and it's out of your way. Neat. A little bit of rice for her. A little bit of rice for me. Rice for her. And rice for me. Oh, if you're Latin like I am, don't forget your olive oil. It will stick without it. But other than that, it's a good pot. You see, I kind of burned mine. I cooked it for too long. That's why I said it cooks really fast, in under 10 minutes. So it's great for camping. If you want to make a quick stop and eat, you can. Of course, if you like the burn bits, go ahead and eat it. I don't like the burn bits. But this thing will heat up real fast. Even when I had this on extremely low, and it heat up real fast, and it cooked real fast. So it's great for camping. I highly recommend it. Here's the beans. Again, this is actually a pan, but you can double it as a saucepan, a soup pan. But I wouldn't use it as a wok. That's what the portable wok is for. I use the wok instead of this pan for the chicken because if I'm using the pan for beans, well, I'm not going to be able to use it for the chicken. Of course, I could just wash it out and not worry about it, but then the beans would get cold, and I don't like cold beans. I really don't. Look at that. It's made for individual use, but if you got a friend with you while you're camping, you can make of this basic set, this simply two items. If you go to the store, these basic 2 items, you can make a meal for 2. Okay? You just have to pack it, and you can just have 2 people eating just comfortably. Just look at all that. And if you got a place that avocados fall, just grab 1 avocado and split it between the 2, and there's you got your little veggie. But other than that, I think this is great. So, sorry the video's shaky. I'm using a basic phone to record this. And again, please excuse the mess. I'm not great of a cook. Gordon Ramsay will have a field day with me of how horrible I am. But this makes a meal for 2, and I highly recommend it. Like I said, cook on low if you're going to put it on the stove, because these are not designed to be on top of the fire, except this wok. Have a good day.